What is computer memory?
Computer memory is where data is stored in a computer system. It allows the computer to store and retrieve data that it needs to operate applications and processes.
How do you measure computer memory?
Computer memory is measured in bytes. Common units are kilobytes, KB, megabytes, MB, gigabytes, GB, and terabytes, TB.
What is a file in a computer?
A file is a collection of data or information that is stored on a computer. Files can contain documents, images, videos, or software data.
What is a folder in a computer?
A folder is a virtual location in a computer's storage system where multiple files can be stored and organized.
How do you create a folder in Windows 11?
To create a folder in Windows 11, right-click on the desktop or in an Explorer window, select New, then choose Folder, and name it.
What is PowerPoint?
PowerPoint is a software application used to create presentations, which are collections of slides that can include text, images, and other multimedia.
How do you add a new slide in PowerPoint?
To add a new slide in PowerPoint, click on the New Slide button in the toolbar, and choose the slide layout you want to use.
What is Smart Art in PowerPoint?
Smart Art in PowerPoint is a feature that allows you to visually represent information using graphic diagrams and charts.
What does saving a presentation mean?
Saving a presentation means storing the PowerPoint file on a computer or storage device so you can open and edit it later.
How do you use the internet to find information?
To find information on the internet, you can use search engines like Google by typing keywords related to what you're searching for.